What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at some Bluetooth earplug headphones. These are going to be great if you work on a loud job site and you need to protect your ears, and you also want to be able to maybe listen to some music or answer phone calls or just be alert when you get notifications on your device. So let's go ahead and open this up so we can get a look at it. All right, so once you open these up, you get your user manual, and then you get your headphones in this case. It's a really nice case that these come in, real compact. This way you can protect your earphone and also be able to carry these around wherever you need to go along on your job. So let's go ahead and open this up. And as you can see, that this is a nice, simple design, really straightforward. You have your USB charging cable here, so you can keep these charged. They charge within 2 hours, and it's going to give you about 40 hours of playtime on here, over 300 hours on standby. So these are going to be the earplug earphones. So you have this nice earplug design. This actually has a 29 dB of protection. So that's going to make sure that your ears are nice and safe if you're on a loud job site. Now it comes attached with this neckband. This neckband just wraps right around your neck, and then your earphones are attached by this blue cord, and this can be nice and concealed, and it just looks like regular earplugs whenever you have these on. Now your controls are going to be right here. You have your play, pause control button, and then your volume control buttons here. Also, that acts as your answer and hang up for your phone. And when you detach this part, this is going to be how you charge your device. And this just charges by USB-C. You just connect the USB-C connection, and now you can charge this in a USB port. Now this model is going to be called the T50. So to get this connected, it's going to be really easy. You would just press and hold the circle button. You'll have these LEDs on here. It's going to be flashing red and blue to notify you're in pairing mode. Then you would just go to your device, go to your Bluetooth settings, and look for T50. Now this is the way it looks when you have it on. You can see that once you put the neck band on, and if I was to tuck this in my shirt, it's nice concealed, and now this looks just like some normal earplugs. You would just press these in, and immediately the noise level has gone down, and now my ears are nice and protected, and I can listen to music or take some calls or listen to some recordings. Maybe this is going to be great. Maybe if you're on the job and you're in training and you need to look at a video or something like that, you can use it for that. Now, this is going to be water resistant as well, so if you sweat a lot, you don't have to worry about that. So once again, guys, this is going to be the Bluetooth earplug headphones. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.